Greetings and salutations. This is Nathan, your nature navigator. So I'm up in the cull of Pilot Knob. So Pilot Knob on Lake George has kind of like a true summit, which is all treed in. You can go up there, but you're not going to see a whole lot from up there. But at the cull, you can go off to the right and follow a path to some overlooks, and I'll take you up there. My dog's going to be leading the way, so I'll probably be huffing and puffing. He got me up here in record time. I probably wouldn't have got up here in an hour and a half or so, especially it's an unmarked trail. It was a little easier to follow today because of the winter time. Some other locals had been out here recently, so all right, without further ado, I'm going to turn everything around here. You get a sense of what we came up. It is a very steep climb. And then up there is the actual Pilot Knob summit. Again, it's all treed in. You see in the wintertime, you're starting to get a nice view of Lake George through the trees. And then these are some really awesome icicles. You can check out some of my photography there. So that's the way we're going. And Max, we're gonna head on out. It's a beautiful sunshiny day. I love this feeling where you just see the great blue horizon above the top here. Nothing's going to be stopping me from the view that lies ahead. You can see my dog Max is already excited about it because this is the Pilot Knob ridges where you can look out over the Queen of American Lakes. That's Lake George here in upstate New York. Yep. For the 5th of February, to see the trees all down is to see right through them. But then you see down on the lake, not much ice. Not any really, except for in the bays. It's a fairly warm day today. That's Pilot Knob proper. The actual summit is over there, but you can see it's treed in. So there's no official trail up here, but I've brought people up here plenty of times before. All right. This is a beautiful hike. It is very steep getting up here though. You start at lake level pretty much, down below. That's at 364 feet above sea level. The top Pilot Knob here is around 2,000 feet. I'm not going to be on the actual summit, so I don't have the accurate elevation, but we are about 2,000 feet. So good 1,700 feet of elevation here with my buddy Max. Max is a hound dog. He got me up here record time. He's good at that though. So yeah, now that we're nearing the cliffs, I'll let you take a look at some of what we got over here. That's Gore Mountain with all the snow on it. You can see the slopes even. And that other one there, that big one's Crane. Beautiful day to be here.